morning and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. I hope the camera angle's okay. I messed up with my craft mat. I was cleaning and I moved the whole camera around, and now I didn't mean to. I knocked it all. So I'm hoping I've got it back to where it was. Today, although, I'm going to make some homemade labels like these from scraps, papers that I've got a few Christmas papers I want to do, book pages, that kind of thing. Scraps like this that you can use, and pages like this. And I've got, I don't know where I got these, I've had these years, some label stamps here. And I'm going to use the Memento Black for this. So for instance, this one, I could do like that. So these are quite now something like this. There. I'm going to have to put these to the side, I think. This side. And then I have, oh, I've got this one. Like that. And then something like that one. Now, I like this one as well. Here. So another way of using up your book pages. The next one also I've got is this book I got the other day, and I've marked a couple of places that I could use this one in. Oh, I think I might go down there. Maybe I'll do a few on this one. So like that. And then I have another page. I'll just take this out, as I've done a full page there. Is oops. Sorry. And I'll take this page out. as I may, once I've cut this out, get a long one out of here. So you can see, you can go through anything and just put your labels over the images and see what you can get. Now, I've got some Christmas paper here, and this is to do a few background images. So that I've got this Christmas in July journal that I'm doing, and I have no idea whether it will be out by now or what's going on. Let's do that one. So you can see, you can get all sorts. Okay, what I'm going to do now is go off and cut all these bits out that I've stamped, and we'll see what we've got. Actually, there was one other image that I thought I could use, and I'd forgotten about these. These were these little envelope dangles I made, and I had a lot of these left. So I thought I could actually make some nice floral labels out of these as well. So I'm just going to stamp a few of these as well. So I've cut all these up. I've got the bird ones here, and the only one is that I think I'm going to put a little stamp on. Move all my scissors out the way. It's from, I've got sample signatures from the past too, the numbers from the past, and I've got Tim Holt's tidbits for various pieces. I think that will be all for that one. Then, oh, and by the way, I'll go to the Christmas ones. I found another sheet of paper and I cut out some nativity images there. So that's for Christmas. Now, these, there's that one. I think I'll stamp on that, but these two I won't stamp on. Leave them there. What else have I got? Yeah, these all could be stamped on. The thing is, these have got music from Christmas, and these are kind of Christmas, but there could be others as well. So I want to put something on there. Like that. Okay, I'll get on and stamp the rest. Now these are the flower ones. I think I'm going to leave that one. Not sure about these. I think I'll leave that one and that one. Not sure about that one. I think I'll leave that one. I'll leave those two for now. And what I do have oops. I'll leave that one as well. Okay, there are all my own labels that I've made. Very simple. Just take your old book pages, your floral ones, your bird ones, and cut out some labels with them, and any other scraps of paper that you have. Obviously I've gone specifically targeted some Christmas ones there, and these are great because I didn't realise I had that 25. So I'll definitely be using them, and obviously that one. But these could be used in any other journal, these ones, if you wanted to, and that one. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. It would be great if you'd come along with me. And thank you for taking your time out of the day. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.